Welcome back to AutoNervex, where we dive deep into the machines that move us. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S, a perfect blend of aggression and luxury that represents the ultimate evolution of the high-performance Grand Tourer. This machine promises more power, sharper technology, and a presence that commands attention. Let's explore what makes this car so special. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 AMG GT 63S, its purpose is clear. The design is wider, lower, and more sculpted, with every line crafted for speed. The signature Panamericana grille features deeper vertical slats with a dark chrome finish, flanked by advanced micro-LED headlights that adapt to road conditions in real time. The muscular wheel arches house massive 21-inch forged AMG wheels, while redesigned air channels enhance stability at high speeds. The fastback roofline and long hood create that classic Grand Touring profile, while the rear features a multi-stage active spoiler, restyled quad exhausts, and slim LED taillights that pulse with energy after dark. Step inside, and you'll discover why Mercedes interiors set the standard. The cabin beautifully merges motorsport DNA with luxury craftsmanship. AM Sport seats, wrapped in Napa leather and Dinamica microfiber, offer both support for spirited driving and comfort for long journeys. The dashboard is dominated by a curved 4K display system running the latest MBUX interface, with customizable layouts and lightning-fast response. The digital cluster now includes an expanded AMG performance view showing power distribution, forces, and even tire temperatures. Ambient lighting with 64 colors responds to your driving style, while carbon fiber trim and aluminum switches maintain the premium feel. The flat-bottom AMG steering wheel features dual rotary controls for instant driving mode changes. And the available Burmester 4D audio system syncs subtle seat vibrations with the music for an immersive experience. Now, let's talk about what truly defines an AMG performance. Beneath the long hood lies an enhanced 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing staggering power figures that surpass previous generations. With updated turbos and optimized engine mapping, the GT63S delivers explosive acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in the low 3-second range. Power flows through a refined AMG SpeedShift MCT transmission, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system variably distributes torque between axles for optimal grip and fun. The adaptive AMG ride control suspension instantly adjusts to road conditions, whether you're on the highway or carving through mountain passes. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide fade-resistant stopping power, while rear axle steering enhances both low-speed maneuverability and high-speed stability. Multiple drive modes let you tailor everything from engine response to exhaust note, and what an exhaust note it is. Transitioning from a deep growl to a screaming crescendo with explosive pops on downshifts. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 AMG GT 63S occupies the premium segment of high-performance luxury. The base model starts around $180,000, with options like carbon fiber packages, upgraded wheels, and premium audio easily pushing the price beyond $200,000. For this investment, you're not just buying a car, you're acquiring an experience, a piece of engineering excellence, and the exclusivity that comes with a flagship AMG. So what's the final verdict? The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S isn't merely an update, it's a comprehensive evolution of the Grand Touring concept. With its bold exterior, technologically advanced interior, and brutally effective performance, it represents the perfect fusion of power, comfort, and prestige. For those who appreciate both luxury refinement and track-ready capability, this AMG isn't just worth considering, it's worth craving. Thanks for joining us on AutoNervex. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content.